Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore all things beauty, one product at a time. Today, let's talk about a product that promises to bring salon-quality nails to your fingertips without the hassle of a professional appointment. Meet the Kiss Classy Press-On Nails, your new secret weapon for flawless nails at home. These nails come in a sophisticated light white color, designed in an oval shape for a sleek, modern French manicure. The set includes 28 nails in different sizes, a 2-gain tube of nail glue, a mini file, and a manicure stick. Everything you need for a quick, easy, and damage-free manicure at home. Now, if you're wondering how easy it is to get the perfect French manicure without the salon visit, let me break it down for you. The Kiss Classy Press-On Nails are not just about appearance, they're about functionality too. The gel finish is smudge-free, ensuring that your nails stay flawless for up to 14 days. It's designed to be simple and stress-free. Apply the nails in minutes, and you're good to go. When it comes to application, I have to admit I was pleasantly surprised by how effortless the process was. The nails fit snugly and comfortably, thanks to the variety of sizes provided in the kit. The included glue is strong enough to keep them in place, yet gentle enough to make removal easy without damaging your natural nails. I wore these nails throughout my day-to-day routine, and I was impressed with how well they held up. No lifting, no chipping, just perfectly manicured nails. The set claims to be a DIY kit for all levels of nail art enthusiasts, and I can confirm that this is true. Whether you're a seasoned pro or someone who's never tried press-ons before, this set provides everything you need to achieve a salon-style manicure with no mess or fuss. Let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: easy to apply with minimal effort. Versatile sizes for a perfect fit. Smudge-free gel finish that lasts up to 14 days. Includes everything you need for an at-home manicure. Gentle removal process that won't damage natural nails. Cons: the adhesive glue included may not be as strong as Kiss's PowerFlex nail glue, sold separately. Limited color options in this particular set, though the light white is quite versatile for everyday wear. Now, when it comes to value for money, the Kiss Classy Press-On Nails definitely make their mark. At a fraction of the cost of a professional manicure, you're getting 28 nails, adhesive glue, and the tools needed to apply them. The fact that they last up to 2 weeks is a huge plus, making it more affordable in the long run compared to constant salon visits. For those who might feel the price is a bit high, there are cheaper alternatives in the market. However, in my experience, not all press-on nails are created equal. Some brands may not offer the same durability or comfort, making the Kiss Classy Press-On Nails a great middle ground between quality and price. As far as build quality goes, the nails are sturdy, and I've had no issues with them breaking or becoming flimsy during wear. The packaging is straightforward, but the glue tube is small, so you may need to purchase a second one if you plan on using these nails frequently. Final thoughts? If you're someone who loves the look of a French manicure, but wants to skip the salon visit, these press-on nails are a solid choice. They're perfect for those who want a quick, effortless, and long-lasting manicure without the mess. The Kiss Classy Press-On Nails offer an easy, affordable solution that delivers on its promise. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.